Didn't think you would last. I guess you're not just a pretty face with a nice ass. You really did surprise me. Baby, you should take a bow. It also excites me, makes me wanna go another round. Tell me, is that too much? If so, baby, I'll ease up. Instead you grab on my shit, then lick your lips. Come here, baby, let me feed ya. I fucked you